Well. Guess what? This is the last day of the USA games. The weather is not looking promising at all. It's not friendly. It's been a washout in the morning. But we're trying to play super 5 overs aside, try and get a result. So right now, this is the situation. Unfortunately, we cannot go there. Our cameras will be affected by the rain. All these people here to support, we are supposed to be playing those guys, the DUT guys. We're supposed to be playing them this afternoon. The guys are having lunch.
Are you taking a video?
Yeah, with a PUT friend.
How are you?
I'm good, sir.
Are you excited that the rain has washed out the match, or you wanted to play the match?
How can someone be excited? You can't be excited in such conditions. Yes, you want to play cricket.
No, he was excited. I was in his room yesterday with this guy. They were praying for the rain.
No. We're praying for the rain to stop. We have to have a sunny day and play cricket. That's why we're here.
Okay, I won't lie. I prayed for the rain. Give me some prayer.
Well, mixed emotions. Are you happy the rain is coming down, or you are happy? Team manager, how are you? Today is the last day of the USA games. How have you enjoyed the tournament so far?
Besides the tournament, today is Friday. We are all joys.
All joys.
Yes.
Umkhonto wesizwe. And now we have the. All right. Justice.
Yeah?
How are you?
I'm good at you.
Your sentiments. The tournament is coming to an end today.
Yeah.
What do you have to say? Anything?
We had a wonderful event actually. Tournament.
Yeah. But when I want to comment to our teams, we could have won all the games if we were taking our catches. But it's one of those things, it's like we are cursed.
Even if we win today, there's no way we're gonna take the position that we're supposed to go back with. That's number one.
Okay.
But it's fine. As long as we had fun.
That's the team manager there.
Yes.
And one of the senior players.
We perform well. It's either we play the finals, but this time, unfortunately, we are not playing them.
Okay.
But next time is next time. I want to say good luck for the boys who are going to play next year.
Okay.
Because some of us, we are leaving.
Okay. And where did this boy put his shoes? I mean, like, he's walking barefoot. Hey, Papa. Today is the last day.
Yes, today it's
Are you happy?
last day. Yeah,
Why are you happy?
I'm actually a bit happy, not happy.
Let's talk about your performance. Tell the guys, how did you perform this tournament?
My performance was poor. As a batsman, I haven't, impressed the team and the captain so far.
How many runs do you have so far?
For the whole tournament, I think I have one since I played for the tournament.
5 games. No, it happens. Every batsman have got a form. I mean, next year you guys are still around. You can build the team and lead them in the positive direction.
But then in fielding and whatever, I tried my best.
No, it's fine. So, thanks. Now let's go and see the other guys, what they are doing inside there. Some of them, they are playing pool, and some are having some drinks. That's what is good, eh? Oh, I mean, he's saying so. He's a bit angry. What are you saying?
I'm saying, who does Tariq think he is?
Tariq,
He
why?
wants to use me to get things. Aye.
Okay, let's watch Bezo here. Breaking the ball. Oh, what a miss. Okay. Breaks the balls. That's it for now. Likely the game will be watched out again, and we'll see in the afternoon whether we'll still play a playoff. If not, this is the end of our coverage here at the USA games. Hopefully 2016 will be better here in terms of the weather.
The tournament is over.